soft bed cover, but also need security for the gear in the back of your 2024 or newer Toyota Tacoma, this Proven Ground Premium Easy Hard Fold tonneau cover provides both and does it at an affordable price point. Now, this is a great option for the Tacoma owner who wants a no-fuss way to cover the bed to protect any gear or cargo that's in there and wants a puncture-proof and lockable security measure to make sure that their items are safe. Now, with being a great barrier of protection, it's also simple to install and use on a daily basis if you want a lightweight option that you can easily get in and out of and can even easily remove if necessary to access the full truck bed without question. Now, this has many benefits to it, but the biggest feature, in my opinion, is the soft cover appearance with a sleek vinyl coating that gives a seamless look to the back while having a tough panel and frame system below it for that additional security. Now, this also locks with the tailgate for some additional peace of mind that no one that you don't want in the bed of your truck is going to get in there. Now, the cover also has a no-fuss build, as I mentioned. It's got 2 clamps on the sides of the bed at the top or the bulkhead side and a pull string on the back at the tailgate side to open it. Now, once it's open, you can fold it back and out of the way and store it on the bulkhead when you're driving, thanks to the buckles and straps at the back for that larger cargo. And when you need to cover the bed again, all you have to do is fold it back down, it'll click into place, and you're all good to go. Now, this is made from a few different materials, all being durable and able to withstand the elements on the back of the truck. And the main frame system here is made of a black epoxy coated aircraft grade aluminum material, which allows this to maintain its form while also remaining lightweight. Now, the panels are also made of a tough plastic construction, so that also adds to the lightweight nature of this cover compared to other choices that may be made of metal materials that add to the weight. Now, on top of the frame system, this also has a marine grade black vinyl material, being very resilient to the weather and UV rays, and it also has a textured grain finish to it, which just adds to the appearance. Now, the kit also comes with clamp handles that are pre-installed for the top, and the pull strap is also reinstalled, as well as all the other brackets and hardware that you need to install this on your truck. This is about $500, which compared to other hardcovers in the category is a very affordable price point. Now, the unique aspect of the soft cover look and the hardcover function makes this stand apart from a lot of other hardcovers on the page if you prefer the more seamless appearance of the back and also want a choice that is simple and to the point with the no-fuss construction. Now, this only has a couple clamps and brackets. It doesn't require any additional hardware or rails in order to install, making it easy to pop on and off if that's something that you're looking for out of a tonneau cover. And it's very lightweight and easy to use, so you don't have to fight with it on a daily basis. And again, it's very affordable compared to other choices, making it a great option if those are some of the key features that you're looking for out of a bed cover. Install is super easy at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take about an hour or so in order to complete it. At this point though, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed step-by-step breakdown on how you can put this on the back of your Tacoma at home. So that is going to wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need the provided Allen wrench. What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a tonneau cover on our Tacoma, so let's get started.
Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to have to do is install our clamp brackets onto our cargo rails. So in order to do that, we'll pop this end cap off. So you just push in, pop that out of the way. Then for the forward clamp going towards the bulkhead of your bed, you're going to grab the hook style clamps. We're going to slide this nut plate in the rail itself. That's going to go towards the front of the bed. And for our rear, we're going to grab our latch style. And again, that nut plate still going to slide right in. This one might be a little bit tougher to get into place. You want to slide that in as well. Then once we have both of them in, we can reinstall our end cap. Then we can do the same thing for the other side. Now that we have our clamps on loosely, we can set our cover in place. Now we're going to set the side with the weather strip seal at the bulkhead of our bed. Pick this up. Put it on our bed rails. Lay this down. You want to make it as even as possible. Then what we're going to do is unfold it just to check our alignment. We'll undo our safety straps. Pull this out. Now it is going to be a little bit stiff, but you just want to make sure this comes to the end of your bed rails and is evenly aligned. So once you have that lined up, we'll fold it back up. Then we can set our forward clamps. So now we're going to get our clamps lined up and set. So you may need to pick up a little bit on your cover to release your clamp. I'm going to slide this over. Sometimes they're a little stiff. Bring this back down. Once we've got this centered, we're first going to tighten down the 2 Allen screws in our clamp bracket with our provided Allen wrench. Once you have those tight, get our clamp into position, and we'll tighten up our hand nut. And once you've got this side set up, you can do the same thing for the other side. Next, we're going to fold our cover out and set our locking clamps in position. You want to bring this around. Let's see, we've got a little bit to go. So we'll get that lined up with that dowel. And we're going to snug these 2 bottom screws down a bit just to hold position. And you want to do the same thing for the other side as well. Now we're going to pull our cover down and make sure it locks into position on those dowels. And if it doesn't, we'll need to adjust them. Okay. Now we're going to make sure this locks into position. Now if it doesn't lock, we'll need to adjust our locking tabs up, so we'll do that now. So now we'll grab our provided Allen wrench and loosen this screw up. We'll move this up, tighten it back down, and we'll match the same height for the other side. Now once you've got everything adjusted and tightened back down, unlock your cover, close your tailgate. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our Proven Ground Premium Easy Hard Fold tonneau cover for your 24 to current Tacoma. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.